Okay, for these read the chart questions, like number 8, where all you're doing is maybe assessing probability, finding a fraction, you have to get this right. There is no excuse. In my study guides, I consider this a free points question, meaning it's free points for your score. They're handing you points. All you have to do is follow the instructions, read, and do what they tell you, and you are guaranteed the 10 points from this question. You cannot get this wrong. Now, the only thing that might cause you to get it wrong is if you fail to understand that they don't always want you to think about the entire chart. Okay, so let's look at what I mean here. They're talking about the chart, great, but at the question, we need to focus on what I call the of statement. Because the of statement is the piece that most people end up getting wrong if they make a mistake. The of statement represents what group from the chart are we choosing from, right? We want to know of the people who chose vanilla. So when we're making a fraction, the of statement is usually what represents the bottom number. What are we choosing out of? Sometimes we're choosing out of the whole chart. Not so here. This time we're only choosing out of the people who chose vanilla. So we're only focused on this left side here. That's it. So how many people chose vanilla? How many people are we choosing out of? That would be 8 plus 5, which is 13. And then of the people who chose vanilla, of those 13, what fraction chose hot fudge as a topping? Well, that's 8. So 8 out of 13 is choice D. And if you look at the answer choices here, you'll see that the other numbers aren't random, right? 25 is what you get when you add those 13 to these 12 in the chocolate. So they know the mistake you're likely to make, and that answer is going to be there. So these questions are free points. There's only one real way to mess it up, and that is to choose the wrong denominator. So pay attention to the of statement. It is everything. If you choose it right, you should guarantee yourself 10 points.